Alright folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I got a cool one here for you to see. But before you see it, I need for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm here with Bob. Bob has this really cool 1965 Chevelle, right? And this is it right here, folks. How long have you had this car?
5 years.
5 years?
4 years.
Okay. Did you buy it like this, or? Okay, you had to do a lot of work to it?
It's got new quarter panels on it. It's got the new back thing.
Okay.
The trunk was all rusted out. The front was rusted.
Okay.
Doors are new.
Oh, wow. So you've done a lot of stuff to this
It's got
thing.
a lot of body work done to
Okay.
it.
All right. What
And
size
I didn't
engine?
know. It was black when I got it. I didn't know it had hail damage.
Oh.
So
Would
it
they
had
putty
just
it over?
a little bit of hail damage. Oh, we knocked it out and kind of puttied it over.
Yeah. I'll be darned. Huh.
I mean, but
so the car's
it
originally
just,
black, though, huh?
Right. It wasn't bad hail damage.
Yeah.
It was just a little tiny bit. But,
Yeah.
you know, when you buy a black car, you don't notice it.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
Well, it was black, flat black.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's not shiny black.
Right.
Yeah. What size engine do you have this thing?
350.
A 350. Okay. You have it built up or what?
Well, it's built a little bit.
Okay. Nice.
It's got a cam in it.
Yeah. Well, I like your wheels.
Thanks.
Very, very cool. The old school Kragers. Nothing wrong with that. Man, this is a beauty. Look how he has it decked out. Very cool. That's a nice car. Can I open the door and look inside?
Sure.
Okay. Will you hold my thing for me? Thank you. Let's look at the inside here, folks. Ooh, check this out. Very nice. Was that a factory tack inside your in your dash also at one time? Or is that a clock? No, it looked like it. No, I think it was a factory tack.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I got 2 of them.
Yeah, very cool. Because it looks like your clock is down there on your console. Man, this is really neat. I like this. Very nice. Take a look at the back end here, folks. Now, this is when they made cars, guys. You can tell the difference between a Ford and Chevrolet back then. You can't do that anymore. What a beauty. Very, very cool. All right. Take a look at the front here. Boy, this is really a nice car.
Thanks. It's still in progress.
Oh yeah, they always are.
And I still want to replace the top foam for the top.
Yeah.
I want to put a new rug in it again because I don't like it.
Yeah, yeah.
I
There's
put new seats in that left areas where the carpet is not right.
right. Right.
So there's a few things.
Yep, there's always something for sure, isn't there?
Yeah.
This
I
will-
do it anytime.
Oh yeah. Take a look from the top side here, folks. Very nice. Well, folks, that is a neat car for sure. Any other features you want to show me on your car?
No, but
Okay. All right. Well, it looks good. All right, folks. Well, hey, I appreciate you taking a minute and showing me your car. Definitely. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click the little round logo. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. Then right here on this side is the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch for watching. I appreciate it.